I'm going to show you the newest feature that we've added to the Proposal app that you can use as a selling tool. The first thing is to note that on the bottom, the version 3.2.7 is the newest version that was published on November 30th, 2020. So that should be the latest updated version. If you don't have it, go to the App Store and download the newest version. What you'll see from a change standpoint is on the home page, we've added this seed return calculator. And I'm going to show you in this video what that calculator will do for you. First of all, when you land into the seed return calculator, you'll notice on the bottom there's two tabs. You've got yield per bushel tab and seed return tab. And you'll notice that these are both specific for soybeans. We don't have the corn table published yet, so this is only for soybeans. And what this first tab on the yield per bushel will show you is on the top axis, you've got a soybean commodity price from $7 all the way up to $12.50. On the left-hand side going down, you've got an additional cost per bag for Golden Harvest soybeans. And you can see in the middle, you've got a yield advantage that you will need to realize to break even depending on where you enter the table. So for example, if I've got $11.50 soybeans, which I think is the price close to what it is today, on the top axis, and I go down and I'm offering, if I've got an additional $10 that I'm charging for my soybeans, you then go across on the table down $11.50 from the top and $10 on the left, and you can see that I need an additional 0.87 yield advantage bushels in order to break even for that bag. And you can see that you can follow the table anywhere from the commodity price and the additional costs to get what your yield advantage will need to be in order for that to make sense from a financial standpoint for the grower. Now that's a static table. If I transition now to the right-hand tab, which is seed return, you can see that it's a dynamic table. So there's one entry field, which is at the top, which is where you're going to enter in what the supposed yield advantage will be for Golden Harvest. So if you've got a specific product that's performing well in your area, or you have trial results at your fingertips, you can enter in what you think the yield advantage will be. Look, for instance, if I've got a half a bushel yield advantage for a specific product, I'm going to enter in 0.5 there. And now you can see that at $11.50 soybeans, if I go down to say I'm charging $5 additional per bag from the competition, you can show the grower that they're still making 75 cents an acre on that bag because of the yield advantage. And you can see where the waterfall goes with the commodity price changing throughout the table, as well as the additional cost. So for another example, if I've got a 1 bushel yield advantage, you can see the table changes. Now at $11.50 soybeans, I know that if I'm charging $10 more per bag for that soybean, I'm still getting $1.50 advantage per acre for the grower. So this is just a way that you can show the grower what the yield advantage is going to be, or what real dollars and cents they can make through this calculator.